BlueStacks not opening on Windows? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you clear, step-by-step fixes to get it running again. Watch and follow along on screen. Step 1, on screen, run BlueStacks as administrator. Right-click the BlueStacks icon, choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes on the prompt. If it still won't open, Step 2, close any stuck BlueStacks processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, open Task Manager, and end any BlueStacks tasks. Step 3, restart your PC. Click Start, select the power icon, then choose Restart. After the reboot, try opening BlueStacks again. Step 4, check your antivirus or firewall. Temporarily disable them or add BlueStacks as an allowed app, then try launching it once more. If BlueStacks now opens, you're done. If not, don't worry, let's move to deeper fixes in the next steps on screen. Step 5, update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, and select Update Driver. Step 6, enable virtualization in BIOS. On restart, enter BIOS, find CPU or Advanced Settings, and turn on Intel VTX or AMD, then save and exit. Step 7, reset BlueStacks. Open BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager or Settings, look for Troubleshoot or Reset, and choose to repair or reset the app. Still stuck? Step 8, uninstall BlueStacks completely, then download the latest version from the official BlueStacks website and reinstall. After reinstalling, launch BlueStacks again. If it opens to the home screen without errors, your issue is fixed. You've just gone through all major fixes for BlueStacks not opening. For more quick Windows and emulator tutorials, like, subscribe, and check the links in the description.